Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Leo. I'm very happy you are here with us today. Today, I have a special guest with me. She loves talking about life. Please say hello to Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here today, and I feel a little excited.
Excited? That's interesting. Let me start with a question. When a new year starts, how do you feel? Excited? Nervous? Hopeful? Or maybe a little tired?
Good question. For me, a new year feels fresh, like a clean notebook. New pages, new chances.
I like that image, a clean notebook. Today, we will talk about New Year plans in English. Simple words, real conversation. Let's begin. Before we talk about the new year, let's look back for a moment. Anna, how was last year for you?
Last year was mixed. Some months were good, some months were difficult, but I learned a lot.
That's honest. Many people feel the same. You can say, last year was busy. Last year was hard. Last year was good for me.
Yes, and it's okay if the year was not perfect.
Absolutely. Every year teaches us something. Anna, let me ask you something deeper. What is one big lesson you learned last year?
I learned that rest is important. Last year, I worked too much. I felt tired all the time.
I understand that very well.
So I learned to slow down, to sleep more, to say no sometimes.
That's a great lesson. You can say, I learned to rest. I learned to take care of myself.
What about you, Leo? What did you learn?
I learned something about patience. Some things take time. Learning, work, life.
That's very true.
Okay, we looked back. Now let's look forward. How do you feel about the new year, Anna?
I feel hopeful. I feel ready. Not perfect, just ready.
That's a good feeling. Many people feel pressure. They think, I must change everything.
Yes, but small steps are okay.
Exactly. The new year is not a race. Anna, let's talk about plans. Do you have any plans for the new year?
Yes, I do, but my plans are simple.
That's good. Tell us one plan.
I want to move more, walk more, stretch more. Not a big goal, just a healthy habit.
I like that. You can say, I want to exercise more. I plan to walk every day.
What about you, Leo? What is your plan?
My plan is about learning. I want to read more books.
Nice. What kind of books?
Simple books, English books, and stories.
That's perfect for language learning.
Many people make plans about work or study. Anna, do you have a work plan?
Yes, I want to manage my time better. Last year, I felt rushed. This year, I want balance.
Balance is a great word. You can say, I want a better work-life balance.
What about students?
Students can say, I want to study English more. I plan to practice every day.
Even 10 minutes a day is good.
Yes, consistency is more important than speed. Health is a popular topic in the new year. Anna, besides walking, do you have other health plans?
Yes, I want to eat better. More vegetables, less sugar.
Very realistic. You can say, I want to eat healthier. I plan to drink more water.
Not perfect food, just better choices.
That's the right mindset. What about people? Friends? Family?
That's important to me. This year, I want to spend more time with people I love.
That's a beautiful plan.
Call friends more, visit family more, be present.
You can say, I want to spend more time with my family. I plan to see my friends more often.
Life is busy, but people matter.
Now, a very important topic for our listeners. English learning plans. Anna, what is your English plan?
My plan is simple. I want to speak more. Not perfect English, just real English.
That's exactly right. You can say, I want to improve my English. I plan to practice speaking.
Mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes means you are learning. Let's practice some useful sentences. You can say, this year I want to do. You can say, my plan is to. You can say, I hope to. You can say, I plan to learn.
For example, this year I want to be healthier. My plan is to study English every day.
Simple sentences are powerful.
Leo, I want to say something important.
Go ahead.
It's okay if plans change. It's okay if you fail sometimes.
I agree. The new year is not about being perfect. It's about trying again.
Every small step counts.
So today we talked about New Year plans.
Looking back, learning lessons, making simple plans.
Now it's your turn. Question of the day. What is one plan you have for the new year?
Write 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, this year I want to learn English. My plan is to be healthier.
Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
We are proud of you.
Thank you for listening today. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us a lot. Keep learning. Keep moving forward.
Happy New Year!
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.